What is up, guys? This is Extreme Scissors, and today I'm bringing you some kids really mad in Airsoft.
Alright, Dan, damn it. Why are they auto? How are they auto? Alright, everybody, get up! No, we're not. Ow! He was screwed. Yeah, it's called caution tape. Ah, fuck! What the fuck is that? We surrendered already. We surrendered already. Can't get out without getting shot. Stop. We can't stop without getting fucking shot. Stop. Stop. Stop it. God damn it already. Stop shooting. Getting shot. Stop shooting. Jeez. Fuck away. Stop shooting. We already surrendered. Go away. We fucking surrendered already. Stop shooting. Without getting fucking shot. I quit. This is fucking stupid. I can't even pass it. He got it. You're already fucking dead. We're fucking finished. Alright, we surrender! We surrender! Jesus, stop shooting us! We surrendered already! We already did! Can you not did! We're dead! We're out of life! We're out of life! Stop shooting us! Stop shooting us! Oh my god! Stop shooting! Please! Stop! We've been dead! We've been dead! For all the people in here are dead! We can't go out because we keep getting shot!
Alright, again, guys, thanks for watching the video, and remember that 10 subscribers thing still on the line, so please ask friends to subscribe to me, and peace!
Is that